Hey Carol, it's Jackie with Tomball Digital Marketing, and I just wanted to shoot you over the quick little website audit video that I was telling you guys about. So I'll just go over a few things that I touched on in the presentation today. And so I have your website pulled up and I was going through it. Everything looks really good. The layout is fantastic. Now, some things that I would recommend adding on here is content for sure. Google likes to see in between 1,500 to 2,000 words at least on your homepage. And then in the back pages as well, you want to add content in there and you want to include keywords that people are searching for on Google in those areas so you can start to index for them. You can even save photos as keywords because that is considered content. So if we look at where you guys are sitting, I plugged it into a tool that I use called Ahrefs. And we will look at UR and the DR first. That is the strength and trust that a site has with Google. So you guys are definitely making really good headway. The strength of the site is up there. The trust isn't quite up there, and that can be from a multitude of things. You really want to keep these as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. Now, ways to increase that trust is by quality backlinks, and you guys have 556 backlinks. Those are coming from 100 referring domains or websites. So what a backlink is, it is your website linked to another site that points direction back to you, but not all backlinks are the same. They're not all created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative relative to the niche that you're in, are going to actually send power to the site. You guys are currently indexing for at least 15 keywords, and it's saying you're getting about 1 hit a month to your site. Now, this is just a tool, so I'm pretty sure you're getting more than 1 hit a month, but that's kind of a rough estimate on the lower end. So if we take a look at some of the keywords you guys are indexing for, a lot of them are addresses. We want to look at like buyer intent keywords is what we're really searching for. And something that is relevant to the areas. Let's see, hometown at Tomball. So it doesn't really look like there's too many buyer intent keywords here. And I'll show you what I mean. So when we Google residential realtor, say the Woodlands, since that's one of your locations, what comes up first are the Google ads and the Google guaranteed. If you guys haven't gotten Google guaranteed, I highly, highly recommend it. It is a fantastic tool to use. And then the ads, again, this is going to help you get leads quickly. And then what comes up next is the map pack. And again, this is super imperative to come up in. You're going to get about 30 to 40% of traffic going to your website or giving you a call right from here. And a few ways that you can beef up your Google profile would be to make sure you are getting reviews consistently. There are tools to do reputation management for bad reviews, but also you want to respond to them, and then you also want to post branded photos and geolocated or geotagged photos weekly. And there's that 750 character about us section at the bottom. Make sure to completely fill that out and include some keywords in there. And then citations, your business name, address, phone number, and things like Yellow Pages, Yelp. You want to go out and get as many as you can, and that's really going to help Google start to trust you more. And it will also help in your organics with your website. So the top actual competitor that isn't just, a HAR or a directory would be Keller Williams and the Woodlands. So if we take a look at their site, they do have a pretty big site, well laid out. Now videos are good because Google owns YouTube, so they like it when you use their products. As far as content goes, they have just a very small amount, so that is beneficial to you. Now, if you take a look at where they're sitting, their strength and trust are pretty strong. They have 250 referring domains, close to 5,000 backlinks. They're coming up for about 2,000 keywords, and they're getting roughly 390, 400 hits a month to their site. And so if you look at some of the keywords that they're coming up for, like houses for sale in the Woodlands, there's 1,500 searches a month just for that. So that's a huge one. Let's see, houses for sale in Tomball, 1,500 searches. Houses for sale in Spring, 1,800. Tomball houses for sale, 600. A realtor in the Woodlands, 350. Let's see. Houses for sale in Magnolia, 350 searches. Houses for sale Spring, 1,900. So just in those handful of examples, those are some keywords people are searching in the areas. Those are buyer intent keywords you want to incorporate within your content and backlinking. And so hopefully this was helpful, and these are some things you guys can do yourself. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and thank you.